On to our next award. This is award number 6. The finalists in Excellence in Business Lending are Banjo Loans, Business Fuel, Button, Get Capital, Prosper, On Deck Australia, Radium Capital and Valiant Finance. Kathy, who has won?
Thanks, Andrew. This award's been sponsored by Creditor Watch. Let's hear from Patrick to announce the winner.
Good evening, everyone. Patrick from Creditor Watch. Very, very proud to be sponsoring Excellence in Business Lending at this year's Finny Awards. We love being involved with FinTech Australia. Congratulations on another fantastic event. Next year in person, of course. And now, drum roll, please. The winner of Excellence in Business Lending. Some amazing nominations, but only one winner. Prosper. Huge congratulations. Well done to Greg and Bo. What a night. Enjoy yourselves. Well done, everyone.
Wow. Well, thank you to FinTech Australia. When we started Prosper 9 years ago, to think about how far we've come as an organisation, how many small businesses we've supported, have been true pioneers. This recognition is just phenomenal. So thank you to FinTech Australia once again for an awesome event. Congratulations to all the other finalists and to all of Australia's FinTechs. We wish you all the best in the years ahead. It truly is an amazing thing that's happening here in the Australian economy, and we really hope to see many of you in person real soon.